welcome to another episode of Ride with Chuck. I'm Andy Piper, the handler for Chuck and the creator of this channel. On this episode, we're about to test drive the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. We got cameras on each side. So the back seat over here. So the 2017 Hyundai Sonata doesn't come with, you know, AC in the back seat, but this one does. These are leather seats over here. Real comfortable, real nice. And as usual, you always have this middle compartment where you can put your stuff. This one comes tight, but like, yeah. 1.6 liter turbo engine, limited. It has surround camera everywhere. Try this.
Lights will go like this. That's LED lights. They stop over here, like that. No other car got that.
Yeah, it is crazy. Just drive this bad boy. See how it feels. So kick back, relax, and enjoy this episode. Hey. So this right here has a different feel from the regular Hyundai Sonata. My guy right here works with Hyundai, and then he's going to be with us today while I test drive this. Hopefully I don't mess up, but I know I won't. So I decided to use this as my first car test because I drive a Hyundai Sonata, so it's only right. And this mad comfortable, like it got cameras everywhere, like you don't even have to think that much. What's this, like lane assist?
Yes, there's Blue Link and your SOS, roadside assistance, so on and so forth. So with the Blue Link, it's pretty cool because you have this app that you download on your phone. You can turn your car, you can set the AC, you can ventilate the seats however you want from anywhere in the world.
The front camera is like,
it's crazy, right?
Yo, and like the whole steering wheel is like a Benz.
Yeah, it feels good. It's leather wrap.
Listen, I wish y'all could enjoy this ride, like I said, drive with me. I said I'll drive like a mile and then y'all drive a mile, but you can't. I'm gonna drive by myself. This shit is so exciting. Wait, so it gives you the speed limit of every road?
Got a heads-up display, yep.
What?
Got a heads-up display, yep.
Oh my god. Has Bose speakers.
Premium
So that premium sound. So that means when you're in the, you know, trying to have a party, you'll be good. You don't need nothing, bro. They changed everything. I had a problem trying to find the fucking handle. Yeah, bro. I was like, everything is new out here, bro.
Yeah.
Wireless charging for your phone. Everything. Yeah, it's like a mini Lamborghini right here. Sunroof, even better. Even better. What? So if you smoke, you know what I mean, you'll be good right here. You don't need to put this down. Just let this one and then let the smoke go to the sky. Wow. Yo, so how much is this?
This is
$35,000.
Yes, sir.
Listen, this is like your money's worth. If you've ever driven a Hyundai Sonata before, like the previous models, this one is like,
Can't even tell it's a Hyundai.
bro, I feel like it's a Benz, bro.
Literally.
And then so at nights there are like lights in the car.
At night there's ambient lighting through here and over here throughout the cabinet. 64 colors.
What is better than this? I don't know, maybe an actual Benz, but like
yeah,
this is not far, bro. This is the emergency parking. The older versions, like my car, 2017 Hyundai Chuck, it has what you call it, brake pad or whatever they call it, with your foot. So so what are the safety features of this? I know it has like front collision.
Yeah, front forward collision. They got blind spot. They got lane keep assist. They got a rear traffic sound in the back. So like if you're backing up and there's a car passing by, it beeps and it stops. So it doesn't let you get in a car accident. The also cool thing about this car is that it actually parks itself.
So basically it has self-parking.
Yep.
So for those of you who don't know how to park, who are lazy, don't want to learn how to park, that is like for you, self-parking.
Yeah, you can step out the car and then with the key right here itself, you can plug the car into the spot with these two buttons right here.
Oh. So can we try that when we find like a big area where we can park? Alright.
cool thing about it is that if you were to put it on cruise control and put the lane keep assist, the car, it drives honestly itself. We're not supposed to tell people that. The car really does drive itself. It does the turns and all that for you. And the cool thing is it has a stop and go.
Wait.
So if a car gets too close, the car itself automatically slows down or it goes forward.
Wow.
Yep.
Let's try and test out the parking. Like, this right here is a comfortable drive, bro. If you think money can buy happiness, think twice.
Yeah, think twice.
If you're still driving your fucking Golf 1 or whatever car you're driving, think twice, because this right here is what money can buy. Luxury.
Step outside. Turn it off.
This is keyless.
Boom.
And then the seat goes back when you park. The self-park feature that comes with this car.
So the car got turned off, you locked it, now you just turned it back on. And now we're gonna press
this button?
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, look at that. The future of technology. Y'all see that? Nobody's driving it. We're not capping. Also.
Yeah. You want to go forward, go forward. Now like walk in front of it. Like you see how it just turned the wheel?
Yep. Yep.
Walk in front of
Yo, it's doing it by itself.
Yeah, I'll walk in front of it.
Let me see the steering wheel. What? Nobody's driving. This is awesome. Bro, if they told you something else anywhere, don't believe it. This is the truth right here. Look at that. 2020 Hyundai Sonata.
Yes, sir.
Yo. They did that thing.
Yeah.
Done this. Nice trunk space.
Now obviously right here, the 60-40 split. Make those seats go down, get more trunk space.
It really doesn't get better than this, bro. 2020 Hyundai Sonata. Y'all seen it. Incredible features. Wow.
And then right now, if you turn it on, she's gonna go forward.
Y'all heard that? All right, I'm about to do it. Bro, look at the seat.
Bringing you right back to where you were.
Back to where I left off.
Yes, sir.
Listen, man. These computers are about to take our jobs. That ass. Give it another 5 years. Okay, so.
Look, you have your different options right here. If you just want to take the back out, take the back out. Right here, both sides. Boom, boom.
Yo, I don't even have to watch anyway. I just gotta ease off the brake.
I mean the emergency brake.
Oh, sorry.
It won't move unless you take off that emergency brake. You gotta push it in.
Push it in?
Boom.
Yo, so this car comes with automatic emergency parking?
It does it every time you turn it off, it does it automatically.
Wow. Listen, I'm old school. I'm used to watching behind.
Yeah, I know.
And like, you know, I'm used to that. So this is like a little new, but like.
And obviously the same thing for the front. You got your sides as well, the front as well.
Wow. For the lazy drivers.
Yeah.
Y'all good right now.
Yeah. You can't get into a car accident with all these cameras.
No, if you get into a car accident with all this stuff, that means you're intoxicated, bro. even with that, the car will still think for you. So maybe you're just an asshole and the car doesn't like you.
Maybe
you're just an asshole and the car doesn't like you, because this, bro, you have all the features. Look at this.
Yeah.
I have a sunlight view of my car right now. What?
That's a great way to put it.
That's a fact, right?
Yeah, that's a fact.
The sunlight view, like, what? I feel like I'm playing Need for Speed right now. Okay. We out. This right here. That's awesome. The feel is like good, bro.
Yeah, it's active.
It has like different driving modes, right?
Yep. So right
most Hyundai Sonata. Comfort.
You're over here. You're in sport now.
Now I'm in sport. You see what happened to the dashboard?
Yeah, so the color change. The color change
to red. And like the steering becomes a little harder.
A little bit more stiffer, yep.
Yeah.
For more precise turning and
exactly. So these are the different driving modes. It has custom. It has smart. What are smart?
Smart is like an eco.
Oh, okay. And then sport, like everything changes. It's like, let's race. That's crazy. Yeah, they did their thing. Wow. And the brake, it's like, let me see.
Feel it good. Auto hold. So right now, if you let go of the brake, car does not move until you press the gas.
Y'all heard that? Auto hold. Car does not move until what? I press the gas?
Yep.
Let me see. Look at that.
Leading vehicle driving away, so you need to pay attention.
Yo, that's crazy. So this right here, you know, if you have 35K to spend, like, this wouldn't be a bad investment, bro. This is like real comfortable. You'll go back to work, back and forth, and feel real comfortable to drive, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whoa. What is that? That's the AC?
Ventilated seats.
So like, you have like warming seat pads and everything?
Yep, warming and cooling, yep.
So you good during the winter?
Or the summer.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
I'm feeling my balls right now. What?
Yeah.
Ventilated seats, bro.
You said feeling my balls.
Bro, I'm feeling my balls. I was like, ooh. Damn, it's crazy. Yeah, they did that thing on this one, Hyundai. What you doing?
Crazy.
I don't know how to drive out here. It's supposed to be white planes.
Yeah, right?
Yo, this
Crazy, right?
it got cameras everywhere. Shit. Nah, they need to stop doing cars like this. Or else people will stop thinking. Let me just go for it. Trying to test the speakers. Yo, this is so comfortable.
The wheel is so comfortable.
Like the wheel is so comfortable. Like driving this car is so comfortable.
There's so many ways to hold it. You can hold it here, you can hold it here, you can hold
Bro,
it
you
here.
can hold it anywhere. And like the auto hold is still on. So the minute I stop, so this over here controls the side mirrors.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, so certain things that are standard about Hyundai is still the same. The wheel, when you want to change it, do this, you know what I mean? Oh, it's telling you, leading vehicle is driving away, so you gotta catch up. Yeah, 35K, if you have it, go get this. It is not a bad investment. If you're a Hyundai fan, if you've driven a Sonata, that means you're a fan.
You want good safety features?
You would appreciate this one.
100%.
You would. I love it.
And it doesn't even look like a Honda.
Right. The inside looks like a Benz. Maybe I'll just cover this a little bit. Cover this a little bit. Like, I got a Benz. I got a Benz right now. You can't tell me shit. If you don't want to use the automatic and you want to use the manual, you got your plus and minus right here. Then you'll be on the road. I'm about to park next to Chuck and show y'all what a great improvement this is. The minute you park, the seat goes back. So thank you guys for riding with me on this episode of Ride with Chuck, where we test drive the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. As you can see the difference between the 2020 Hyundai Sonata and the 2017 Hyundai Eco, which is Chuck. Thank you for riding with Chuck and enjoying this episode.